If you skip this video, you will never know how to unlock iPhone 13 Pro Max on the latest ISO 26.1. So watch the full video so I can guide you step by step. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number. After buying the unlocking file, go to 3G tool and import the unlocking file which you have already purchased from us. If our service is permanent and 100% working, but our service is not free, but our service is 100% working on every iPhone model. So just you need to buy the unlocking file and import the unlocking file to the 3G tool and select retain user data mode, and your flashing will be started. If you wish to buy the package, you can WhatsApp me, or you can Telegram me, or you can email me. So our service is permanent, and you can see iPhone 13 Pro Max on the latest ISO 26.1 is going to fully bypass, and you can also use the SIM card. Everything will work fine. Congratulations, our retained flash user data has been completed, and now you can unplug your phone if you want. You can unplug your flashing cable, and you can activate this phone. So follow these steps to activate this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Also, this method is working with all iPhone model and all iPad model. Also, if you have iPhone 17 Pro Max on the latest ISO, you can also contact us and we can unlock any iPhone model, and you can buy the unlocking file using this WhatsApp number or Telegram number, or you can email us on our email address. So if you see data and privacy, it's mean the old iCloud's gone, and it will take like little bit time to activate this phone. It may take a few minutes. You can see data and privacy, it's mean the old iCloud is gone, and now we can activate our phone. Also, you can enter the SIM card if you want and make some calls. Follow these steps to activate this iPhone. If you wish to buy the unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. Our service is working all over the world. You can contact on WhatsApp number and buy the unlocking file. Welcome to iPhone, and our iPhone 13 Pro Max is unlocked. You can also enter the new iCloud account here, or you can enter the old iCloud account here. iPhone 13 on the latest ISO 26.1. If you need any help, you can contact me and buy the unlocking file. We can also guide you step by step on WhatsApp number. Take care. Bye bye.